In the heart of Kumamoto, Japan, Sony's state-of-the-art facility brings precision.
Senior technician Tanaka brings 18 years of precision assembly expertise.
4 titanium screws torque to precisely 0.3 Newton meters. Force sensors ensure delicate components are never stressed beyond design limits.
Newtons of calibrated force secures each optical element without inducing megabytes of firmware. Transform hardware into imaging intelligence.
The impacts at 60 degrees, simulating the worst conditions photographer.
24 hours a day, 3 shifts among millions, yet individually tracked to its destination.
In the heart of Kumamoto, Japan, Sony's state-of-the-art facility brings precision imaging technology to life.
Every day, over 2,000 skilled technicians arrive to craft cameras trusted by photographers worldwide.
Before entering the heart of production, every person.
Welcome to the clean room, where fewer than 100 particles exist per cubic foot of air.
Senior technician Tanaka brings 18 years of precision assembly expertise to every camera he builds.
Every workstation is grounded and ionized, protecting sensitive electronics from static discharge. The Exmor R sensor, 61 million pixels of light-gathering capability on a surface smaller than a postage stamp.
Vacuum tools eliminate fingerprint.
Alignment tolerance is 10 microns, 1/10 the width of a human hair.
Contact achieved. 186 connections made simultaneously.
4 titanium screws torque to precisely 0.3 Newton meters secure the sensor permanently.
Each camera body travels 180 meters through 47 assembly stations.
847 solder joints, each completed in under half a second.
Fanuc robotic arms position components with 20-micron repeatability.
4 minutes, 847 perfect connections.
Force sensors ensure delicate components are never stressed beyond design limits.
Vision-guided robots identify and orient components regardless of tray position.
Titanium shutter blades travel at 12 meters per second, capturing 1/8,000th of a second.
Optical technician Yamamoto inspects each element for contamination invisible to the naked eye.
15 newtons of calibrated force secures each optical element without inducing stress. The calibration laboratory measures optical performance to 1/100th of a wavelength.
MTF exceeding specification, this lens achieves G Master certification.
847 cameras emerge from this production floor every shift. Some assemblies require human dexterity that robots cannot yet match.
Multi-axis articulation with zero wobble precision at any viewing angle.
40 delicate conductors routed without a single stress point.
15 megabytes of firmware transform hardware into imaging intelligence. 16 watt-hours of lithium power, 710 shots per charge.
First breath, the alpha comes alive.
Quality inspector Nakamura has rejected over 10,000 units in his 22-year career. Every dimension verified to half-millimeter tolerance.
12 cameras enter a 4-hour gauntlet from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius.
12 cameras enter a 4-hour gauntlet from -20 to +60 degrees Celsius.
5G impacts at 60 degrees, simulating the worst conditions photographers face.
80-degree temperature swing in 6 minutes, simulating lifetime field conditions. 4 hours of extreme stress, 0 failures, 12 cameras ready for final packaging. From clean room to packaging, the journey continues without interruption. Custom molded foam ensures survival through the roughest shipping conditions. Battery, charger, strap, every accessory verified and positioned. Custom molded foam ensures survival through the roughest shipping conditions. 12-language documentation ensures global customer support.
Holographic security tape protects against tampering while ensuring authenticity.
Every serial number tracked from production floor to customer registration. Weight verification catches missing components with gram-level precision. Human judgment provides the final verification machines cannot replicate. Robotic palletizing builds shipping units with mechanical precision.
48 units, 1 pallet layer complete.
Warehouse specialist Kondo navigates 15 years of logistics experience. 4 meters high, 20 centimeters clearance. Every placement counts. Real-time inventory tracking across 4 destination continents.
From this dock, cameras reach 140 countries.
40 feet of precision pack technology bound for North American distribution. Custom sealed and tracked from factory floor to destination port. Another shipment begins its journey, factory to photographer, 14,000 kilometers ahead. As cameras ship worldwide, the next generation already takes shape. Machine vision identifies component orientation in 40 milliseconds.
8 cameras analyze 847 connections in 3 seconds.
Human expertise remains essential for final optical clarity verification.
Resolution measured at 5,800 line pairs, exceeding specification. 120 focus calculations per second, 3 meter per second tracking verified. 24 hours a day, 3 shifts, the factory never sleeps. As day shifts to night, production continues unbroken. Night operations prepare tomorrow's shipments while the world sleeps. Overnight, chambers cycle continuously, testing to destruction limits no human could endure.
Under Japanese stars, Sony's commitment to imaging excellence never dims. At 100 times magnification, precision invisible to the eye becomes visible art. 300 milliseconds becomes an eternity. Every connection a small masterpiece.
4.2 seconds per cycle, 700 cycles per shift. Mechanical endurance.
48 units, 1 pallet layer complete.
Every camera receives individual calibration, never mere mass production copies.
24 photographs document every camera's condition at birth. 847 cameras, 99.3% first pass quality. 2mm springs, 1.5mm balls, the tactile feel photographers love. 360-degree sealing protects against dust and moisture worldwide. 5 distances, individual correction values, focus perfection at any range. 10,000 times cleaner than outdoor air, invisible precision enabling visible quality. Every 72 hours, human expertise sustains robotic precision.
Every parameter, every camera, every second monitored from central control.
Autonomous robots verify inventory accuracy around the clock.
The final human touch. Optical perfection, ready for the world.
From factory floor to retail shelf, the transformation complete. One final verification before cameras meet their photographers. 960 cameras sealed for their journey across the Pacific. Into the night, Precision Cargo begins its 14,000-kilometer journey.
Day to night, night to day, the human relay never breaks.
4 cycles, 0 failures, enhanced reliability certified.
Each sunrise brings new cameras into existence, the cycle eternal.
Each sunrise brings new cameras into existence, the cycle eternal.
7:15, the line awakens. 847 new cameras to build. Each sensor, weeks of semiconductor mastery, arriving for assembly. 3,200 components per board, arriving ready for integration. Magnesium precision, machined to 10-micron tolerance, the camera's skeleton. 1,800,000 cycles, 99.7% uptime. 18 years of expertise passing to the next generation. Statistical process control ensures consistent quality across every camera. Body meets lens, serial numbers paired for life.
Premium kit complete. Camera and lens united in retail presentation.
One camera among millions, yet individually tracked to its destination. 5 continents, 140 countries, organized from this warehouse. 854 cameras, 99.4% quality, 0 injuries, excellence achieved. A nod, a thumbs up, shared pride in 854 perfect cameras. Robots know no shift change, but humans know why the work matters. Nagasaki Port, gateway to 140 countries.
30 meters skyward, 12,000 miles ahead.
24,000 cameras in transit, real-time visibility from Kumamoto to the world.
14,000 kilometers later, a photographer meets their new creative partner.
As evening falls in Kumamoto, the work of building dreams continues.
18 years, countless cameras. Tanaka-san's craft lives in photographs worldwide.
Sony Kumamoto, where precision becomes possibility, where technology serves creativity.
Alpha A7RV, 61 million pixels of precision, born in Kumamoto.
Sony Technology Center Kumamoto, crafting the tools that capture the world's stories.